Hello and welcome. This is the part 2 of character creation series. In this part, we are creating characters, clothes, shoes, and hair. Alright, let's get started. First thing I'll do is shift it to negative layer of the mesh and hide one of them. Go to edit mode, and I'm going to start with the shirt. I'll go wireframe mode to see through the mesh, and I'm going to start with the sleeves. I'm gonna make a little cut between the ankle and the shoulder, control out for that, and I'm gonna make another S2 scale. Cut inside, delete the flow, and select the edge flow of the hand and move to inside a little bit, and E2 extruder, and also the sleeve and scale it a little bit down. Alright, let's go to the collar. So first I'm going to make another little cut, control after that, and I'm going to make another one and delete it and select a t-shirt and scale it a little bit down. Select the neck part and put it down. Go to wireframe mode to position it correctly. I have to be careful when overlapping stuff happening. Make the shape of a color. So this time I'm gonna make like a V thing. Alright, select color and E2 extrude. I'm disabling clipping. So let's go to the bottom part of the t-shirt. Control R, make a cut both in the hips, and I'm going to scroll it up to make a knot at the same time. Select the t-shirt bottom and scale it down. Select bottom part and move to the correct position. Right, let's make belt and alt select the flow. So we have to use control for that. E2 extrude. I'm making more cuts where the body bends. I'm wasting too much time in the belt, so you don't have to be like that. I can select L, different parts of the body that detached. Like the buckle of the belt. So let's go to the shows and make two cards and scale one and make a one in between that and delete the middle one. And move the part a little bit out, place it correctly. Let's go to the buckle again, it's kind of like metal, right? So go to vertices for that, place it correctly. Alright, let's go to the shoes. I'm making more cuts to get the shape and control R for that. And in vertex, if you want to place if you like to canonical proportion of it, yes. Alright, let's make socks. Alright, let's move to the hair. It's the most hard part. Not hard. If you don't want hair, you can totally ignore this. Right, first go to wiper mode and select the parts you want hair. Again, use circle selection or book selection. Alright, shift D to duplicate and P to separate this part from the rest. P select section And make sure you disable the proportional. I'm gonna apply the mirror modifier of that object because our hair doesn't have to be mirrored. W subdivide for more details and see group wireframe and scale them down. Or we can get rid of the reference images now. I'm gonna hide the base image again and go to solid view and go to edge selection and make the shape of the head. So we have apply the mirror, so we have to select both sides, or you can just enable the mirror option on the left corner. The next part is making your hair random, so it totally depends on you which kind of hair you want. Make sure to disable mirror, otherwise it will mirror. Enable the base mesh and select the hair and E. Enable the promotion editing and just try to make it accurate as possible. The next part is we don't need the inside faces of the hair. So we can select all and then cut in between the shape of the inside and just delete it. Have to be careful and select the parts you want to delete. The next video we will wrap on character and then we can paint our character. So thanks for watching, and you can share, like, and subscribe, all sort of stuff. It will really help me. And I'll see you next video. Bye.